In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find downloaded YouTube videos here on a laptop or PC. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up YouTube and go to the video that you want to go ahead and download. In this case, let's say I want to go ahead and download this video right here. Select it. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, just below the video, if you scroll down, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and select those three dots, and you'll have that download option within here. Click it, and the video is going to start downloading. Just keep in mind, you are going to need YouTube Premium to use the download feature. Now, there are two main ways to actually access your downloaded videos. The first thing I recommend doing is actually using the side menu section here. In the top left corner, you can actually click these three lines to expand it just like so. And from here, scroll down and you're going to see a download options within here. Go ahead and select that and you're going to see all the videos you've downloaded. Now from the YouTube's homepage as well, once again, you could just look at this left sidebar and you'll see downloads listed on here as well. Select it once again and you'll access all your offline videos. Just one more time, you are going to need to have YouTube Premium in order to access this. But yeah, downloaded videos are going to stay within YouTube. They're not like separate video files here on your computer, meaning that you can only watch them here on YouTube when you're logged into your account, not in an external player. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Now you know how to find and download YouTube videos and figure out where exactly they download to on your laptop or PC. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.